Hello guys, welcome to Pivotal Traders. I hope you all had a wonderful trading day today. I was expecting that many of you would be interested to know what would be the plan for tomorrow's expiry and what would be my published idea for tomorrow. Before that, I shared on my Telegram channel that I deployed an iron condor. So let's first look on it. The iron condor which I deployed was simply where I expected that the market would be in between the range of 30,200 PE and 31,000 CE. And for this, I did what? I shorted 30,200 PE and 30,800 CE, and I bought to maintain the level of consistency on the profit here. I bought 4 lots of 30,000 PE and 4 lots of 31,000 CE. So the reason behind the iron condor which I took in the last minute of the session is that I saw that Banknifty was following a great profit booking, and I expected that tomorrow this would be acting as a support point, and this looks like a swing to me, and thus I would be expecting that the Banknifty would fall into this range and then continue to trade within the later half of the day. Let's now look on to the ranges which we can draw upon and we can expect for the Bank Nifty to expire within the range. So for me, you can see on the weekly time frame, this candle had a strong reactive wick, and you can see that this point, this red line becomes an important support point. And this, the second black line, is our flagship black line becomes our important point, and then on the price action front the red line is becoming as in support. Now the second thing is, on the upper range you can see that this candle also bears some significance. Why? Because you can see that this candle, which was strong reactive one, and this blue candle which formed, pierced this indecisive candle like anything. So this price also becomes important because previously the price halted here, and for the second time it took away from this halt, which was negated at this point, then must be respected as a resistance point at this level. We are to see what are the possibility for tomorrow's expiry. So for the tomorrow's expiry, I built up this small range of just 500 points. So what I can expect is tomorrow, if the bank Nifty opens flat, then this may act as in support, and then the Bank Nifty would fall into this range and then continue to do so till 2 o'clock. What we are expecting is that till 2 o'clock most of the depletion in the premium from theta would happen, and then we'll be able to close our position. Now let's delve into the 15 minutes candle and then study the price action which happened today and what can be expected for tomorrow. So for the price action which I showed in the morning, that this black line proved to be a strong reactive point, and the second black line was lying over here. So that's why on the 2 minutes candle you saw that I took a trade over here, then I squared it off over here, then it went up, then I took another trade here, then it fell down like this. For the barriers to the expiry, what we are assuming is tomorrow would be a very calm expiry. So why? Because we have seen that a major trend on the bearish side have happened in the past 2 days. Now the market would be looking forward to cool off within a range, and expiry can be a very typical day where a range bound movement can happen throughout the day. Based on the expectation that tomorrow, if the market opens flat like this, it can take this as a support and then move on to these range and can close at 30,600. So if the market opens gap down, then we can expect that this would act as a major resistance, and then the market can close anywhere between this line. So we will change this color of the second arrow, make it orange. Okay, now the third possibility is that if the market opens gap up, then voila, we are stuck in this range. The market should close anywhere between 30,700 to 30,400. So let's mark this color in red, or blue is better. So these are the three possibilities in the bank nifty depending upon the type of opening we can see tomorrow. If we are to look on the max pain, we can see that the max pain is at 30,600. So we expect that the expiry would revolve around this level tomorrow. So what you can see here, that the highest put writing which took place was at 30,000 level, and the highest call writing was at 31,000 level. So in terms of our level on the upper range, we are very safe, or we defined that the bank nifty would close below 31,000, and we took a risk that 30,800 would be the level where it should react. So we took 30,800 as a prudent one because it is in sync with the price action and the volume which took place in the history. Now on the lower side, if we can see that 30,200 did not have so much significance. But if you compare it with 29,900, you can see that 30,200 did have some significance. Now this significance we have to combine with price action. So if at all, it can move down to 30,100, not below that. So considering that the max pain is at around 30,600, we can expect that the expiry would happen within this range. To access my TradingView published idea, you can log in to tradingview.com. Thank you so much. Have a great expiry day tomorrow. All the best.